The light itself is nice looking. It is also on the small side and it works amazing. So I use this in my studio. You can see the studio over here. You would also need to get a tripod for you to use it, which is not included. It is an extra for you to purchase. This light comes in a very nice looking gift case in case you decide to give it away as a gift. It also comes in a secondary gift case as well. So this one is built for protection. It is to store all your stuff inside, and it also has an instructions booklet in here too. A few more interesting features, including the bundles themselves. You can easily adjust this and put this any way you actually want. And if you don't like the bundles, you can actually take them out as well. So that's also an option. Another thing about this, which is pretty interesting, is that you can go ahead and adjust the way this actually works. So the adjustment knob is over here on both ends. There is one on this side and there is one on the other side, and you can either make this more tight or you can loosen it up. Another thing about this is that you can go ahead and move this like down, or if you want to open this up and you can move it all the way up or move it all the way down, and then decide which way you want to put this in, and then you go ahead and adjust the knobs so it goes ahead and it works exactly the way you want it to work and moves in the direction you want it to move, and specifically lights up the area that you want to light up. So that's another added bonus and makes it a really cool feature too. Another thing for you to purchase is the external battery that you can stick in here. But you can still use it without the battery. There is two buttons over here. There is the on button and there is the external button for you to use. Let's go ahead and turn the on button on. When you turn it on, we have different settings for us to go ahead and customize over here. The great part about the setting themselves is that you can easily adjust the brightness of the light. They also have different modes for us to use, such as a strobe mode, different kind of brightness, and saturation as well. As you can see here, this is different kind of brightness for us to use. We can go through the modes, and this is the cycle mode. The cycle mode is great to give the strobe light effect for us. In fact, there's different scenes for us to use. This is just one scene out of many scenes. And if you go into the scenes mode, you can go ahead and change the different scenes around. We have different effects such as party, lightning, different kind of lights, 40 bulb, and so on, TV even, candles, and everything else, including fire, fireworks, police car, fire truck, ambulance, emergency, pulsing, lots of effects for us, and it goes all the way to 50. One of my favorite is the cycling mode, which makes it look like a club. But it's up to you to decide which mode you want to actually use. This thing is just beautiful, the way it actually works. We have the barn door over here, the barn door altogether. And as it changes the colors, you can go ahead and change the variety and the type of light you can use for this. It is extremely bright, as you can see over here. And it also has the barn doors for you to open and close, or of course to reflect this in any way you actually want for your own studio. So it makes great as a photo light. It also looks really amazing as well. Above all, if you want to use this for photography, for videography, this is great. If you like and want to have some club lights for the mood in your house, this is also awesome as well. So go ahead and purchase this, because I don't know what you're waiting for. This thing is just amazing. And for my studio, this thing works really good as well.